Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is a Dollar Tree wreath using only Dollar Tree stuff, of course. I have all my ribbons tangled up, I'm sorry, but those are the ones I'm using. As you can see, I'm using the ones from Dollar Tree. I also bought the wired wreath from Dollar Tree. I couldn't find the heart one, so I decided to just do a circle one, and hopefully it works out right. I used 9 feet ribbon. We're also going to be needing some scissors, of course. What I'm doing here is I'm wrapping around pre-cutting ribbon first and then tying it in a knot with on the very first circle, as you can see, not the outer but the inner circle. But yes, like you can see, I'm just pre-cutting some pieces so we can use them in the inner circle, the smaller circle, like I mentioned before. I'm using a red ribbon and a pink ribbon. And I'm just going to be doing that in a pattern and wrap them around half only the circle. And I'll get back to you when I'm done. You can see what I'm just simply doing right now is just wrapping the ribbon around. Also making sure it's tight enough just to keep it secure. What I decided to do here is very important. I decided to work around the area where I had put the ribbon earlier. And I did forget to mention, but I did purchase this welcome sign last year at Dollar Tree. What I'm going to be doing is I decided to turn it around and just take the ribbon off. And what I'm going to try to be doing is just putting the welcome sign going downwards. So right here, I'm just simply gluing the pieces together. Use your judgment on it. Just fit it however you think it looks nice. I thought it looks nice like this. I did decide to flip it later on in the video because I did realize that the welcome looked backwards. So I did fix that. Yes, like I said, guys, just use your judgment. You know, as long as you're having fun, that's all that matters. It does not have to be perfect. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. As you can tell, I did the whole welcome sign going down. I had so much fun doing this. And guys, this was only altogether $5. For the spirit of love, our Bible verse for the day is love is patient, love is kind. That's Corinthians 13:4. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.